Create fast, accurate 2D layout of industrial control panels with new cabinet panel design capabilities in Solid Edge 2021. Here in Solid Edge Wiring Design, we have a multi-page schematic for a Finamac pop circle machine. We need additional documentation to assist in the building of the machine's control panels. Solid Edge 2021 Wiring Design prepares the layout of industrial control panels with new cabinet panel capabilities that allow us to reuse the schematic intelligence to generate the panel layout. Placing the correctly sized cabinet based on our specs, we can add additional items such as backplates, channels, mounts, and other hardware. We also need some wiring ducts, so here we'll place a series of channels. Dynamic dimensions provide accurate feedback, and industry-standard profiles are available. Using the Mount command, we can add the necessary den rails to which we will attach electrical components. Again, accessing the Properties allows us to choose from industry-standard sizes and profiles. Adding some dimensions to the mounting plate, as well as the channels and rails, will help document their positions. Associating the new layout design to the schematic allows us to place the relevant logical electrical components. Placing devices is simple, and there are many ways in which this can be achieved. We can place single objects or multiple objects at the same time. Shortcut options allow control over snap points, rotation angle, the order of placement, and much more, all of which are dynamically previewed during the placement process. The last few devices are placed onto the top and bottom rails quickly and easily. A bill of materials, which is fully customizable, has been automatically built as we've added the devices to the layout design. The bill of material IDs can be easily generated. Balloons are added to each of the devices on the panel layout after generation of the BOM. The final required deliverable is a terminal plan, which assists in the assembly and wiring of